Hello, my name is Nastya. I'm 9 years old. I'm from Russia. I live in Yaroslavl. I want to make cottage cheese casserole. It's my family favorite dish. We need 700 grams of cottage cheese, 5%, 2 eggs, 4 tablespoons of semolina, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 pinch of vanilla powder, a handful of raisins. We need some oil.
Brush.
We need a bowl, brush, tablespoon, and casserole dish. Put the cottages into the bowl. Crack the eggs into the bowl. Mix it up. Mix until the cottage cheese is on yellow. Add the sugar. Mix it up. Add the semolina. Mix it up. Add the peach vanilla powder. Mix it up. The put the raisin into the mixtures. Mix it up. Take the casserole dish. Put some oil in the dish. Spread the oil. Put the mixtures into the casserole dish. Spread the mass evenly. We heat the oven 190 degrees Celsius. Put the dish into the oven. The casserole should be golden brown. Enjoy your casserole.